I love waking up to this every morning. And the neighbors. What up, BY gang?
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Hello, neighbor.
So what, the third day? Yeah, the third day.
Third day. We out here today. We not gonna talk that much. We about to just tell y'all what we doing. So baby, tell them what we doing today.
We're going to get breakfast right now. Then we're gonna go to the gym. Then we're gonna go to the pool a little bit. And then we have an activity today, which is the Rainforest Adventures. Ooh. So y'all guys stay tuned for that. We're gonna get a little small clips of that because we're enjoying our time. And to be honest, he's doing all the recording.
Of course I am.
And I'm just enjoying myself and going along with the flow. But I do appreciate you guys watching, so keep staying tuned. And yeah.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Always click that bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. Cause look, for the time being, I'm not gonna lie, we back.
Yeah.
Alright? Let's get things going today. Later, guys.
See you.
Alright guys, so we at the Rainforest Adventures. We got baby girl here. Right now we doing a Century Hill. I hope this doesn't go fast because our feet are obviously off the ground.
I hope he locked the security.
He better have. Oh my God! Look at that. Can y'all see that? That's the zip line.
I think we're going on that too.
Oh my God!
Oh
man.
my gosh, my heart already.
I think that is what we're doing.
I'm excited though.
Nah, I'm terrified right now.
Right?
Oh my God, guys, this is crazy. Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh! 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 Oh no! My hat! My hat! Oh, my hat! Oh, I lost my hat. Oh! Oh! Woo!
You lost your hat? This boy is fresh and handsome. Oh my gosh. This is really my boyfriend. Yes. Check you out. Looking like an island boy.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm on a date and I'm very nervous.
You're nervous?
Very nervous. Let's see how beautiful my baby girl is. Hey, baby. Oh my God. Vacation looks great on you.
Vacation looks great on you.
Nah.
Alright, let me see what I want. I don't know what I want. I know what's thinking, but I don't know what kind of thinking.
Okay. So guys, real quick, to let y'all know what's up, we came to this side of St. Martin to do something else. But unfortunately, we can't do it no more. Because I guess we got here too late. So, we just basically made it up for ourselves by coming out here and going to a steakhouse. We was eventually going to go to a steakhouse anyway, back where we was at. But this will do. It's a nice scenery. See the restaurant. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a nutcase in this house. At 3 a.m. Look what she's eating.
It's not 3.
At 3 a.m. Look what she has eaten. It's 3 a.m. I think I'm lying. Look outside. It's not light too. It's dark. At 3 a.m. Or more. Oh, no.
Yeah.
That